world. So I have been working a little bit with this movement. This one is now a little bit more dirty, but I have been taking off a screw from this one. Was impossible, as you know, sometimes if you don't, the screw was damaged and you couldn't really take it out. So I was asking around a little bit how to do this, and I got this wonderful advice from the forums, which they told me to use Vinegar. So I did use that, and it was actually working. So it's quite fantastic, that thing. So I have been working with that now, and then I have placed it in like some chemicals to clean it a little bit, but still it's a little bit left here. I don't know if you can see it, but it is really dirty, and this was all clean before. And I had this movement in Vinegar for at least 24 hours, and then I was able to see some progress there. It's not there anymore. I think I have some photos I can show you of how it was. Of course I need to do more cleaning with this one, and yeah, but now I would like to try something here. I guess it came up to my mind to use my stakes. I haven't used it so many times yet, but I was thinking maybe I could do something like this, just to see if it works. I mean, sometimes if you have an idea and all of that, then it's worth to try them. I mean, you have all of these tools and you have to use them. So this stake I got from London. It came from a watchmaker actually. Hopefully I will not damage this one. I just want to hammer a little bit to take the old, it comes from the dial, which is stuck there. So I just want to make sure everything works fine here. Let's take a look here and see if I can do something like this. So let's see. Sorry, I'm trying to focus a little bit here. The camera works good sometimes. I think it's okay now. So let's aim this. Okay, so I have this hammer now, so I'm going to try and see if this one works or no. Yeah, so this was one of those bright ideas I had, to use the stakes. Stake it, and I think it sorted out pretty well. That's good. So investment I did last year, and I have used it. The first time I used it was in the balance. I think I have a video coming up showing that a little bit. Let's see. Okay. Let's see if I can use this one. Weird. Is it in there or not? At least it worked. I will take a look on that later. So now it's out, and I just need to clean it a little bit more, and it's looks good. And the stake was fulfilling its purpose, so I'm happy. Perfect. So with some vinegar you can actually use it to dissolve some old rusty screws. That's something I learned today or yesterday. Thank you.